Dear friends, welcome to the amazing Father's Day collaboration hosted by the wonderful Ayushu's Crafty Kids Club, and we've got an amazing lineup for you ahead. You'll find all the details and the playlist down in my description box below. And thank you so much to my channel members for all your support. And that's Art by Sparkle, Travelling Tramps, Terry Lechner and Kim Cuervo. And here are some discount codes for you as well. That's colorart.com, resoners.com, pandahall.com and Artistic Painting Studio. I'd like to say a big massive thank you to dear Ayushu from Ayushu's Crafty Kids Club for inviting me on this global collaboration of 23 artists from around the world. Really celebrating what Father's Day means to them, and this piece of art I'm going to create is actually going to be co-created with my daughters. One is Sophia, who is 5, and then Soraya, who is actually 3, and they will be actually creating this beautiful piece of art for their daddy, who they love very much. So I hope you enjoy it. I'll be playing music from now on. Do check out my fellow artists who are up before me and after me, and I'll let you know who's after me right at the end of the video. Thank you so much.
Happy Father's Day! Today we're going to do a painting for Daddy. We love you, Daddy! Is this enough?
Yes, and just put a little light dot on the edges and good girl. Good girl. Now Sarah, when you have a go, love.
Right.
Put it on a thinner bit here. Go on, you can do it, honey. Rub it in your finger, yeah. Go on, rub it, paint onto your finger. More paint. More paint, that's not enough. Get a lot of paint on your finger. And now, do your little one down by here. Somewhere, anywhere on the leaves. That's it. Good girl. Now again. And tell me what you love about your daddy.
I love about Daddy because he always brings us to the park.
Oh. Do you love going to the park with your dad?
Yeah.
What do you love about Daddy, Sarah?
Daddy always makes breakfast for us.
Oh, he's very good at making breakfast. Does he make pancakes for you?
Yeah.
What day does he make pancakes for you?
Sunday.
Lovely. What do you eat with your pancakes? On this
Sometimes
side?
I just eat Nutella with it. Sometimes I just eat pancakes with strawberry syrup on it.
Lovely.
This is enough.
Yeah, that's enough. You know exactly what you're doing. You've done this before, haven't you?
I did it when I was doing it in school in my book.
Wow.
I did it and played with it.
Did you? Wow.
On a piece of paper.
I love that. Okay. And what's your favourite thing that Daddy does?
Makes us laugh. And at bedtime he gives us our arm and me to do it.
He gives you his arm, or he wraps his arm around you. And what? You cuddle his arm? You cuddle his arm, do you? That's sweet.
At bedtime.
Aww.
Yeah, me too.
That's lovely.
And
Has he got strong arms?
And Daddy. And I like taking all the cold off it.
Oh, you warm his arm up. Oh,
I
that's
like
sweet.
taking all the cold off it to my like cold flush.
Is Daddy good at growing vegetables?
Yeah. And strawberries for me.
Strawberries for you?
And I eat strawberries.
You hate strawberries?
I
You used to love them.
strawberries.
Oh my goodness.
I only like his paint on my hand.
Oh goodness, it's alright. I've got some wet wipes here.
Yummy.
Here you go.
I want to sit down.
Yeah, of course, you can sit down.
Whatever
Whatever makes you comfortable. Maybe another one up here, Sophia. Sarah, any more? More blue by here? A little bit more, and then we're down to that blue. You're doing super good, Sarah. Yes.
It's enough.
Good girl. That's it. Don't press too hard. Wow, girls, that's looking amazing. What colour would you like next?
I don't need any more red.
Alright, you're doing pink now, are you, Sophia? Ooh. So tell me about the tree. What seasons are you doing on the tree? What seasons are there?
There are
4, aren't there?
Yeah, let me tell you them. I know them.
Okay, go on then.
There's summer.
Yeah.
Autumn.
Yes.
Winter.
Yeah.
And spring.
Is that true, Sarah? Yeah. And what season are we in now?
I don't know. Winter.
Winter? You haven't been taught them yet, have you? You only started nursery. No, it's summer now.
Orange.
You ready? Before it dries, honey. That's good.
Let's put it in the other blue.
Go on then, put it next to the blue.
Over here.
Good work. It's drying up in this room a lot, isn't it? That's looking amazing, Sophia. Let me see the picture. Beautiful. So are you doing the 4 seasons on the tree?
Yeah.
And why is that?
For Daddy.
For Daddy? For what? Father's Day?
Uh-huh.
Yeah? Do you think he'll like it?
Uh-huh.
Does he like your paintings?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm making a new one. I'm making one over there.
Oh yeah, I can see
A
that.
card.
Beautiful.
For you and Daddy. Mama. And me. Yeah.
That's lovely. Would you like me to put some of your paintings
This
up?
one is for you. I'm going to make another one for Dad.
Okay.
And then another one for Sarah. One for Sarah.
Do you love your sister?
I love my sister too.
Do you?
But sometimes I shout at her.
Why do you shout at her?
Sometimes she shouts at me. Sometimes I
Oh.
don't. Oh, no.
I saw you cuddling the other day in the car. I saw you holding hands and looking at each other like you love each other because there's a nice song on, wasn't there? That was so sweet. I looked back and I saw you both. So you definitely love each other, even if you fight sometimes.
I saw my sister. She shouts at me.
You still love her, do you?
Right over here.
That's looking amazing, girls. I'm so proud of you. Dad's going to love this.
He is.
What else do you love about your dad?
He always makes a... He takes us to allotment.
He takes you to the allotment. Is he growing anything up there? What's he?
He makes strawberries for me and picks gooseberries for us to eat.
Wow.
Gooseberry!
Gooseberries. And you said you like him because he fixes things for you.
Yeah.
What did he fix?
I don't know. And he always takes us to... Oh yeah, he fixes grill. He fell in the water.
He fixed his drill?
Mm-hmm.
What happened to it?
It fell in the water.
Oh no.
I love my dad. He always takes us to party and play.
Oh, to soft play.
Yeah.
That's lovely.
Party and paint. But I don't know when he's done. Today he's gonna take us to...
Funky Monkeys?
Have we never been Funky Monkeys before? Yes, we have. We haven't. Yeah.
You have, lovely. You forgot.
When can you do up your balls?
We went to some birthday parties there before. You having fun?
Yeah. Right one in the middle. My finish.
Yes, you are. You've done really, really well. It's looking amazing.
And the one over here.
Yes, if you want.
Happy Father's Day!
Have you got a joke for Daddy?
Yeah,
Go on
I
then.
do.
Oh, Sophia, would you like to go first?
Yeah.
Go on then.
What does the policeman say to his tummy? What does the policeman say to his tummy?
What does the policeman say to his tummy? I don't know.
Trees, you're under arrest.
Oh, I love it. That's going to be great for Daddy, isn't he? Okay, Sarah, your turn.
So, I'm not allowed to tell anyone what fruit I am, but I'm a secret.
It's a secret, is it? Please tell us.
No.
Please tell us a
No.
joke. Please.
No. For Dad. No.
For
You said
Dad.
you loved him a minute ago.
Do you remember your joke?
Why is there Velcro on you?
Oh, we're waiting. Everybody in the whole world's waiting to hear your joke. Please tell us. Yeah, we're ready.
Why did the penguin toss your ice?
Why did the penguin cross the ice? I don't know.
Time it wanted to be eaten by a walrus. No. Time it wanted to be chopped up by KFC. They don't even get penguins. They get chickens.
I love
I'm
you.
doing two.
Okay, go on then. Do another
Can I
one.
do another one as we three?
Okay, hurry
Can
up.
I do one?
Okay, we don't have much time.
One for me.
Okay, go on then. Let Sarah do the next one then. Sarah, go on, babe.
Why did the chicken cross your road?
Why did the chicken cross the road? I don't know why.
When there was cars all over the place.
When there was cars all over the place.
Driving.
I don't know, why did he do it?
Time your chicken wanted to get squashed by the cars too.
Sophia, your turn.
My turn. Why did the penguin cross the ice?
Why did the penguin cross the ice?
He wanted to be eaten by a walrus. Penguin.
I'm pretty sure he didn't want that though.
Yes, he did.
Why would he want to be killed?
I know. What's wobbly and flies?
What's wobbly and flies? Do you know it, Sarah? Don't you know it?
Uh-huh.
Go on and tell us what it
A
is.
helicopter.
A helicopter!
Die!
Well done.
Happy Father's Day to everybody!
Bye. Wait. And in case you haven't heard some exciting news, I'm now on Patreon, so you can join as a member and support me and get perks. So you can get exclusive content, behind the scenes videos, Patreon shoutouts, unseen footage, and much, much more. Come along and get to know me and my art better by supporting me on Patreon. The link is down in my description box below for you.